Hello friends, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I hope that everyone is doing well, alive and kicking. So today I would like to talk about disabled iPad or disabled iPhone or any iOS operating system. In addition, I'm gonna talk how to fix this issue very easily by iTunes. So keep watching. If you're newly watching this video right now, please click the subscribe button, like the video and share it with your friends. To start the video, keep watching. Such as you see, I have an iPad which is disabled already. Actually, when you forget the passcode and you try it match, so it become disabled. After trying match, it become disabled, and if you want to fix it again, you need to have a USB cable, a computer, and on your computer you need to install iTunes. If you want to watch the video that I have made for how to install an iTunes on a Windows computer, you need to go in the video description and there is a link how to install iTunes on Windows computers. Thing that you need to know is about all things, all data, all photos, videos, documents and emails is going to be deleted. It means you're restored this iPad. So the first thing you need to do is plug in the iPad and plug the cable on your computer. So when you plug in your cable with your computer, the first thing that you need to do is press the home button and press the power button at the same time. So we are going to do this: press the home button and press the power button at the same time. Until you see the iTunes logo and a charging cable. And you need to open iTunes. As you can see, two options here. The first one is update and the second one is restore. So make sure that you should click on restore, not update. Click on restore and it takes time. Click on restore and update. Next, agree. And done. So guys, you can see this and it is going to be downloaded for iPad software update. Yes guys, if you see this error from iTunes, it means that your iPad is going to be on. So the things you do is you do the second process. It means you do the process power off and home button. You press these two at the same time until you saw the iTunes logo with the charging cable, because it is going to be disconnected from iTunes. This one take a lot of time to be completed. It's about 8 minutes remaining. You have to be patient. About 53 seconds is remaining to be done. 4 seconds, 3 seconds, 2 seconds, 1 second is remaining. So it is processing file here. Done. So the download is done. So the thing that I'm gonna do is, you must have this charging cable right in your screen and iTunes logo. The things you do: restore iPad. It means I have downloaded software of this iPad. So the thing I'm gonna do is click on restore iPad, then restore and update. Click here. So iTunes is preparing to restore the software on this iPad. So actually you can see these. You can see these right here, extracting software. Yes, friend, it is going to be finished. Friend, it is restored. Finally, it's restored, and you can close the iTunes application from your computer, and you should plug out this. It's going to be done after some minutes. So actually you see this, it means you have to set up your iPad as you have bought a new one of these. This is done. So we softwared iPad iOS system operating system. So please like the video, share it with your friends, and please subscribe our channel for our support. Thank you for watching this video.